So imagine you're trying to enjoy your weekend by playing with dimensions and colors. Everything is going so well until you get a message. You choose to check it out. You can definitely read it and attend to it later. So you do check it out. But how can you ignore this one? So you don't. You want to know more. So you ask the obvious question. Oh, so it's one of your YouTube shorts. Sometimes, after working on some designs for hours, you wish you could just pull them out of the screen and hold them in your hands. I wonder what will happen if I... What the... I don't think this is legal. What do we have here? Nope, I'm good. Glitch don't happen twice. But it was just a glitch. It can't possibly happen again. But Mark is desperate for that glitch. I guess it wouldn't hurt to indulge him. No way dude was trying to pull up a tripod stand. It's definitely bigger than a screen. You return to your dimensions and colors, but not for long. Mark returned pretty quick. He sounds a bit more frustrated this time. Why does bro need that glitch so badly? He did do everything right from what I can see here. He's trying to pull out a pair of scissors, which definitely should work if glitching should ever work. So you download the step file, give it some color, and try it for yourself. Can you really be lucky twice? No way! You're actually the chosen one. He thinks you have the secret, but you don't know any more than he does. He isn't deterred though. He comes up with an idea. Share your screen. You pick an old practice model you've had lying around and take time to give it some color. Red and black, bold. What next, you wonder? He's going to try and pull it out from his end. He finally shares his genius plan. You think to yourself, it can't possibly... Oh my. It actually worked. You're actually happy for him. Whatever he would end up doing without mouse. I'm sure from his point of view, it looks something like this. Nice. He's beginning to understand the glitching thing. Oh no, now he has more ideas. You better stop sharing your screen. What's that shady looking folder he's just shared with you? You're skeptical, but you ultimately check it out. And no, it's just money. Bro actually wants you guys to do counterfeiting now. You're wiser than to participate in such shady affairs, so you do what any logical person will do. Block him now and discuss more about it on Monday at work. Yeah, Mark is your coworker. With Mark out of the way, you think you can finally get back to your dimensions and colors. But no, another message. Who is it this time? Of course, unknown. Luckily for you though, that's not an issue. You know just what to do about that. What? I know, right? I was expecting it to be Mark. I guess you could just tell them to get a life or something. What did you expect? I guess not playing with dimensions and colors this weekend.